Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for You channel. My name is Sushil Sharma and today topic is that how you can set up manage your core user group management in the RHL10. So we should not use the root user because of the security reason, and we should correctly configure the users and groups properly. So you will learn today it. So let's go to the RHL10 virtual machine and then discuss about those things, right? So this is the basic video, basic user group for user group management. And tomorrow I will give you the another video that is, will be the advanced way of setting up the user and group management. Right? So wait for tomorrow. That is advanced method of setting up user and group management. Okay, let's go and create a user. So just I'm creating a user. Sudo user add David. So I created a user, and how you can verify the user is created or not. So first we verify sudo cat etc passwd. So at the last line you can see the David is created, right? Suppose you want to see the minimum output, then you can add grep David. So here you will see only the line of David where the user David and group David IDs are there. Home directory home David is there, and the bin bash shell is given to the David. So this way I created a user, right? Now I'm creating the another user, and this time I'm giving the home directory to that user, right? So I'm specifying the home directory to the another user. So sudo user add -d. So this directory will be given to the another user that is called John. So this way I created a user and given a home directory custom home. How you can verify that? You can verify easily by the this command John. So here you can see that John has given the home directory custom home, right? How to set the password of a user? To reset or set the password of a user, the command is sudo passwd John. So here we go setting the password. Whatever password you have given, it will be set. Okay. So this way we have changed the password of user. Now we are going to lock the user. Suppose I want to lock the account of a user. So sudo usermod -l and the username like John. So this way the user account will be locked. Right? Sudo usermod and the username. Just a minute. Just change something here, and that is capital L, right? So this way the David has been locked, and if you want to unlock the user, you need to run the another command, right? But before running that command, it is asking you that you should set a password, right? So better you set a password of David, and then you can do that. So first lock any user, like I'm locking the John. user. So John has been logged, and after that you have to unlock the John. Remember that you have to set the password of the user first, then practicing those commands, right? Okay. Now, how to delete a user without deleting its own files? So in home directory there will be no file deleted. I am deleting only the user, right? So sudo userdel and the username David, right? So user is deleted, but the home directory of David will not be deleted. I am showing you ls custom home. So here you can see uh, just a minute. Add sudo here. So custom home is not deleted. Here you can see custom home is not deleted. It means the user is deleted, but the home directory is not deleted. Suppose you want to delete a user with its all files in home directory. So this command will change, and there is another option you have to add -r and the username. So this time the user will be deleted and its home directory also deleted. So completely removing the user and its home directory, all files will be deleted, right? Okay. Now we are talking about the groups, how to create group. So to create a group, use the command sudo group add admins. Just a moment. There is a spelling mistake. Just a moment. So the command is sudo group add admins, right? So with the name admins, I created a group, right? And suppose the next part is I have to create a group, but with a different group ID, right? So let's see another command. So I'm creating a group with the another group ID. Admin daily, right? So this way I created a group with the certified with a specified group ID. How you can verify that? For group you can see the file etc group. So group information is given here. So here you can see admin daily is created, right? Okay. Now the next thing is, suppose I need to delete the group, right? So how you can delete the group? Here we go, group del and the group name, right? Suppose you want to rename a group, you want to change the group name. So the command is sudo group mod and first the new name and the existing name. So first I will, suppose I have deleted that group, so I will create the another group for you and then I will run this command. So I am adding one more group, sudo group add admins. And group is already there, so I will give a new name to this group. So sudo group mode -n space. My new name will be admins2 and existing name is admins, right? So this way the admin's name is changed to admins2. So it will change the group name. If you want to verify, then you can go and see the etc group entry, right? Okay. Suppose I want to add a user to a particular group, to a secondary group. So add a user to the secondary group. How you can do that? Now I'm creating one more user and group. So I am creating a user, sudo user add Karthik, right? And I am creating a group. So I created one more user and I created a one group sysadmin, right? And suppose I want to add a user to that group. So how you can add? So this command will add the user Karthik to this group. So sysadmin the group and the Karthik is the user, right? So how you can verify that user is added successfully to that group, right? Now you can see that Karthik is the member of sysadmin group also. So here you can verify, right? Suppose you want to remove a user from the group, right? So I am removing the user Karthik from the sysadmin group, right? So how you can remove? So Karthik is removing from the group sysadmin, right? How you can verify? You can verify with the same command. Now the Karthik is not a member of sysadmin group. So here we go, right? Suppose I want to give the administrative privilege to the Karthik user. So I am making the member of Karthik to the wheel group. So wheel group has the administrative privileges. So how you can do that? Sudo usermod -a capital G and the group name is wheel, that is already created with Linux, and the username is Karthik. So this way the user is added to the wheel group. Now the Karthik is having the power of sudo, and all of the administrative command can be run by Karthik, right? So you have given the administrative privilege to the Karthik user. How you can verify? Same command, groups Karthik. Here you can see the Karthik is added to the wheel group and it has given the administrative privilege. Now we are going to inspect or audit the users and group. So how we can inspect the users and group auditing? We can do by which command? So the first command is sudo id Karthik. So I'm inspecting the Karthik user. Here you can see the user ID, the group ID, the Karthik is the member of which group, its own primary group Karthik, and the wheel administrative privilege group. So this is the inspecting the Karthik user, right? Suppose I want to list the detailed text records of a particular group. So get ent group, and the group name is sysadmin. So here you can see sysadmin has the group ID 1006, right? So this way we have done the user and basic user and group management. Yeah, suppose you want to check the password expiration and aging data, you can run one more command, sudo change -l. So it will show you from which user you are logged in. It will show you the detail about that. Like I am showing the user Karthik detail, for example. So it will show me the details of Karthik, password expression, maximum number of days password change. So it will show all the details. So in my next video tomorrow, I will give you the advanced method, advanced user and group management details, managing them tomorrow. So please subscribe my channel, like the videos, and if you want that I will give you the all text command in text format to you. Please leave your email ID to the comment, and please subscribe this channel and like the videos. Thank you very much.